If you want to easily dispense liquid from a tank, you need a tank fitting. Today we're going to show you how to install the 1/2-inch NPT Tamco tank fitting, nipple, and valve kit from Tamco Industries. Or we can install it for you if you order a fitting along with your tank. Just let us know where you want it. But if you do want to install it yourself, keep watching to learn how. Gather your parts and tools before starting. Make sure you have your tank and everything included in the valve kit. You'll also need a measuring tape, a hole saw, in this case a 1/2-inch hole saw, a drill, safety glasses, safety gloves, a wrench, and a deburring tool. Now we're going to make a hole for the fitting. First, determine where you want the center of the fitting to be, ensuring that you have plenty of clearance around the edges. Using the hole saw, drill the hole where you want it. Be careful not to go too close to a corner or the rounded bottom edge of the tank, which would prevent you from being able to insert the fitting through the hole. Next, deburr the edge of the hole on both sides to provide a smooth surface for the gasket to properly seal against. Be careful not to deburr too much. Only remove the lip and any shavings from the saw cut. Don't carve out extra material. Place the gasket onto the fitting. Reach inside the tank and insert the fitting through the hole. The threaded end should be sticking outside of the tank, and the flanged end and gasket should be on the inside. Thread on the nut. The nut should be hand tight plus 1/2 or 1 whole turn. Be careful not to over tighten, which will distort the gasket, resulting in a leak. With NPT fittings, PTFE tape can be used to help create a good seal. Wrap the tape around the threads, moving in the same direction as the threads. Overlap by about 1/2 of the width of the tape, but don't put on too much. Cut the tape and press the end against the threads. Next, thread on the nipple, and then the ball valve. Hand tighten, and then use a wrench to turn another 1 or 2 times, but no more. Over-tightening can cause leaks or potentially crack the threads. Now you can easily dispense liquid from your tank. Well done! For more information about this valve kit or other tank fittings and tanks, please visit tamcoindustries.com.